We are back with a brand new sneaker unboxing, this time with the 3D print farm of Zellerfeld. We are going to step into the future together, as their slogan indicates, and highlight this new product that just arrived. My name's David Falar, and I've been designing footwear for the past 12 years, working with brands spanning the globe, working with startups to bigger brands and organizations. And I've gotten to know Cornelius, the founder and CEO of Zellerfeld, over the past few years. As they've launched, as they've grown, I even had a chance to visit their massive 3D print farm in Austin, Texas. They've truly elevated their game, even if you've bought a product from 18 months ago. It's completely different. A really beautiful improvement on the newer product is this box. I know if you've ordered a product in the past, it is this oversized box. It comes in black, but it previously used to be a paper cardstock box. Now they've elevated it. They've kept the magnetic flap in the front, but you can see this beautiful texture all the way around. They have the screen printed design on the sides, on the top, and it just really looks and feels luxurious. Upon opening the flap, you'll notice they give you a name card. This has been tried and true since day one. They personalize, they handwrite your name on each of the cards. It's really just a nice thing for them to do and include in the box. They don't have to do it. It takes time, it takes energy. You got to handwrite it, but just generally a nice step. But just generally a nice thing to do. So they have the Zellerfeld paper. Another staple thing that they've done since the very beginning is they give you a pair of Zellerfeld socks. These are exclusively developed for 3D printed shoes. There's less pull against the sock material and the actual shoe in the 3D printed material with these socks. So they give you a pair for free, which is incredibly nice. It's not to say that your traditional cotton socks won't work with these shoes. They will work just fine, or you can do sockless. It's totally up to you. Now for the big reveal of the product that I actually bought. I went ahead and got their brand new Polen silhouette. The reason why I got this is two reasons. Number one, the silhouette is extremely dialed. It's very nice. Hats off to the designer and the creative. Not only the beautiful minimal kind of aesthetic collar shape that comes down really low below the ankle bone, but also from a top-down toe view. I mean, look at how these shoes come together. I love the wider foot. It gives you more of a barefoot feel around your toes. Lets your toes splay out, gives you a little bit more comfortable and breathing room in the toe box. And so with the minimal design language all around, the beautiful shapes and sculpture of this product, the one thing that I don't know what the hell they did is whatever this bottom design is. This sole design needs to be improved. Visually, it doesn't align. There's no storytelling. There's a lack of connection, in my opinion, to how beautiful the silhouette actually is. And then if you're familiar with Zellerfeld's product, you'll notice that their 3D print quality has massively improved as well over the years. But all in all, we know, and there are plenty of reviews online, that this material, the TPU material, does not wear away. People have worn these for years on end and they still remain intact. So I'm excited to put these on, use them as a house product, in and out of the house quickly. For the summertime, they're perfect. So hats off to the Polen, hats off to Zellerfeld. Thank you guys. This is a true improvement to your product and a step into the future.